take a picture of you. It's windy today.
It's windy.
Just a smidge.
Yeah.
Just a smidge.
What do you think it is blowing? What was the sensor say?
The sensor was here showing like 25, 26, but then Egmont's showing like 35, 37. So I'd say probably somewhere in between, closer to 30.
We're gonna do a video today on how to launch a kite in strong winds. This will be a fun one. Let's try not to get blown into a tree. Well, actually, I strategically placed my kite down over there because there's an area where I have space so that I'll launch the kite with the kite facing out to the water, so in case something does go wrong, it's pulling me out towards the water, that rather than the trees.
That's nice.
Which a lot of people have ended up in those trees.
They cut them down for that reason.
Yeah, so we're gonna first place ourselves in a position so that the kite is facing out towards the water. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do is visualize my positioning. Let's take a look. If I draw a line from the back of the kite, now I can visualize where I want to stand when I do go to have someone hold the kite for me to launch. Let's go check it out. Alright, first thing I do is hook my safety up. I'm going to hold on to this until I get into the general position. No hands on the bar, do a safety check. I'm gonna use one hand on the control bar and one hand on my safety. Wait till the kite has tension, where it's not fluttering in the wind. Give the thumbs up. Easy peasy. And the key is using one hand on the top side and just keeping a very gentle and light grip. There we go. Let's go enjoy this kite session.